Assalamu alaikum friends. Hello and welcome to yet another video. Each frame you will see today is carefully selected for a smooth and aesthetic experience. Sit back and enjoy. Elegant and top trending skirt design ideas with different fabric and different colors. The design gives a neat and graceful appearance. This outfit looks stylish without being too bold. The design gives a balanced and attractive appearance. This style shows how fashion can feel relaxed and elegant. The dress looks polished without feeling heavy. This outfit highlights comfort through smart design. The overall look feels calm, classy, and refined. This dress shows beauty through thoughtfully simplicity. This skirt design brings a perfect balance of comfort and graceful style. The flow of this skirt creates a timeless and confident look. Every fold adds a soft moment that feels light and elegant. Simple lines make this skirt easy to pair with any outfit. This design highlights beauty without trying too hard. The gentle fall of the fabric gives a calm and polished feel. Each detail is thoughtfully placed to enhance the overall shape. If you like this content, please like, subscribe and share the video. Friendly and polite. This design brings a calm and graceful feeling at first glance. Soft details and charm without overwhelming the look. The flow of the fabric feels light and effortless. Simple lines often create the strongest impression. This style blends comfort with great elegance. Every angel tells a slightly different story. The texture adds deep and visual interest. Movement makes this design feel alive and fresh. Subtle creativity is what makes it stand out. This look feels easy to wear and easy to love. Gentle curls create a soft and pleasing effect. This piece shows how simplicity can be beautiful. The design feels relaxed yet thoughtfully made. Small details cutely enhance the entire look. This style suits many moods and movement. The flow adds a sense of freedom and ease. This style suits many moods and movement. The flow adds a sense of freedom and ease. Lightness in the look creates visual comfort. The shape gives a flattering and natural feel. We are glad you stayed till the end. New visuals and fresh ideas will be shared very soon. See you in the next